Hello, so now I'm going to talking about the architecture of matrix managers. Matrix managers, so in every single Heron container, it collects and processes all metrics from all the rest instances in the same container. It is a centralized point in that container. So what will happen when we start the matrix managers? First, it will start the matrix manager server. It will be responsible to receive requests from other instances because we're using a client and server model and send back response to let others to register with matrix manager. And later, it will create different iMatrix sinks in the thread pool according to the config. Remember, we'll wrap each iMatrix manager sink in a sink executor and run in a single thread. So one iMatrix sink, all the interfaces are always be invoked in the same thread. We do that to prevent any potential thread safety concerns. So what will happen? So when we just start this, it will invoke the initialized methods in the iMatrix sinks. And then the matrix manager will listen to some port and we will receive matrix messages from different instances. When we got those messages, which is defined in the port above, we will convert into an internal structure called matrix record. Then we'll pass this matrix record to this method in the iMatrix sink. That's process record. So you feel free to do whatever you want to handle those metrics. For example, we have file sync, which will convert the matrix record into JSON format and log to the file. For example, we have by default tmaster sync, which will send this matrix to the tmaster. So you can do whatever you want. And eventually, when there some exception happens or when you're trying to stop the matrix manager, the close methods in the iMatrix sink will be invoked. Also, one problem is that when there are some uncalled exceptions happen in the iMatrix sink, what will happen? Remember, we stored this iMatrix sink in the thread pool. So we register some uncalled exception handler for that thread pool. So when the exception happens, we catch that. And then we'll try to restore the failed iMatrix sink according to the config. There's a config value specifying that. So this is most likely the architecture and the design of the matrix managers. Thank you.